Cruise ships are like floating cities filled with luxury, entertainment, and hidden secrets most passengers never discover. Some cruise ships have quiet hidden decks where you can enjoy incredible ocean views without crowds. These secret areas are perfect for relaxing, reading, or watching sunsets peacefully. Want cheaper cruise prices? Many experienced travelers book during wave season or several months early to get the best deals, free upgrades, and onboard credit. Sometimes prices even drop during off-peak travel months. Cruise ship crew members work long hours to keep the experience smooth for thousands of passengers every day. From housekeeping to entertainment teams, it takes a massive crew to operate a modern cruise ship. Here's a useful cruise cabin hack: magnetic hooks. Most cruise cabin walls are metal, so magnetic organizers can help save space in small cabins. Many experienced cruisers also bring portable chargers and night lights for extra comfort. If you worry about seasickness, choose a cabin in the middle of the ship on a lower deck. That area experiences less motion compared to the front or upper levels.
Many cruise passengers don't realize how much entertainment is included for free. Cruise ships often feature Broadway-style shows, comedy performances, live music, ice skating shows, deck parties, movie nights under the stars.
While many passengers leave the ship during port stops, smart travelers sometimes stay on board to enjoy quieter pools, shorter buffet lines, and empty hot tubs.
One of the most magical cruise experiences is waking up early to watch the sunrise over the ocean. It's peaceful, beautiful, and something many travelers never forget. It's peaceful, beautiful, and something many travelers never forget. Many people say after their first cruise, they immediately start planning the next one. The combination of travel, food, entertainment, and ocean views creates a unique vacation experience unlike anything else. Which cruise secrets surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love cruise ships, travel tips, and luxury vacation content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing cruise videos every week. See you on the next voyage. Thank you for watching.